Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to custom resize or crop your video in CapCut. Also, if you want to support the channel and sign up for CapCut in the same time, you can check out my CapCut affiliate link in the description of the video. So let's get started. Alright, let's say that you want to resize this video right here for it to fit in this phone frame right here. So if I just shrink it a little bit and place it right here, you can see that the edges are sticking out. So I would need to shorten it just a little bit right here. And this is how you would do it. First off, there are some preset ratios, if you click ratio right here, that you can use. But for this video, I would need a custom ratio. So the way that you do this is first click on the video that you want to resize. Then right click on it. Go to Edit, hover over it, and then go to Crop Ratio. Here you can freehand adjust your video size. So in this case, I will just crop this bottom part like this and press confirm. Now I will just shrink it a little bit more. And there we go. It fits perfectly in the frame. So now if I play the video, you can see that everything is working just fine. If you found this video helpful and you want to show your support, you can check my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description. Also, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.